Some people are misinformed and they think that, being gay, bisexual, transgender is a lifestyle choice. It is not. I can certainly tell that because the first times I discovered this about myself, when I was 13, I cried. I cried because I was wishing that this wasn't the case because I knew how difficult it was going to make my life. And yeah, same with being transgender. It actually, when I came out to my sister, I'd actually told her that because she thought it was a choice. And I said, actually, if I could, I would choose not to be too. It would be easier if I could just be born in the body that I was born in. But that's not the case, so I'm making the correction. Contacted the most recent therapist, and I finally felt comfortable enough to tell her that I was transgender around the third visit. I was like, I think I'm transgender, and she said, I don't know very much about that at all. And I said, really? Because I thought they said you were queer informed. She's like, not exactly. And I was searching for queer informed therapists. I had looked on Google and had found Radiant Health, and I decided to give a call.
Radiant Health Centers is the only LGBTQ+ medical home in Orange County. And that statement alone tells everyone how important we are.
Over the years, we have really focused on creating a one-stop shop. And probably the two services that are most linked and most critically linked for our patient population is medical care and behavioral health.
To be able to have a primary care clinic that provides gender and identity affirming services that is trauma-informed, trans-informed is unique. And to be able to have that integrated care with mental health services and other support services as well, something that is unique of Radiant Health Centers to be able to mitigate and overcome some of the challenges that the LGBTQ community faces in Orange County.
One of the things that we know is that LGBTQ plus youth really require behavioral health support earlier than probably most in general population.
Our new youth drop-in center is a vibrant space where LGBTQ plus youth and their allies can come together. The youth center offers group sessions, activities, game nights, and a safe space for young people to gather and find a community that might be missing in their lives. One of the services we offer is a free gender-affirming wardrobe, where young people can select clothing items that help them feel true to their identity.
Every bit of healthcare that we provide to young members of the LGBTQ plus community truly is prevention work.
With the advent of the possibility of becoming a federally qualified health center, or better known and more easily known as FQHC, that is an opportunity for us to not only provide direct medical services, but really the entirety of the wraparound services that we already are providing. It's a huge advancement for us, and as part of that, we truly intend to be a center of excellence for the LGBT community.
I get to see every day clients who have a lot on their plate, who are coming in, sometimes broken, and to be able to be a part of their journey, that they're not walking alone through their adversity and challenges that they're enduring is not only rewarding for me, but I know that makes an impact on their lives. I think that that's the long-term impact that Radiant has in the community.
People know when you really care, and that was the difference when I walked in here. It's trust and safety is not something I can intellectualize. It's not a formula. It's a feeling I felt. They foster an environment where you could grow.
I think a lot of us either have family members who are LGBTQ plus and or are LGBTQ plus ourselves. So we really can walk alongside and empathize and be there in a way that maybe other healthcare organizations that seek to treat a more general population aren't able to be.
We've created this space where we're trying to take care of everybody. Whether you're young or older, whether you're living with HIV or not, we're here for you. Whether you need a doctor, a case manager, food, we're here for you. Whether you speak one language or 20, whatever your skin color looks like, we're here for you. If you're looking to give to an organization that truly believes in diversity and inclusion, then you don't really have to look much farther. Radiant Health Centers is that place.
I think it's important to give to places like this because as much as I appreciate like the energy and the volunteers and stuff, at the end of the day, Pantry, it takes money. Like mental health services take money. Okay, so that's just the reality of it. There's a lot of services like I would have never been able to go to camp or even my mental health group. Like I get that because of the money that's donated, and it makes me like want to live and have hope, and their transportation to my doctor's appointment that makes me stay healthier, which makes me here longer for my friends and my sisters and my boys. So I'm really grateful actually for the giving.
It doesn't matter who you are. We here at Radiant will take you under our wings, and we're going to heal you, heal your physical ailments. We're going to take care of your mental health, and then we're going to make sure that your social needs are taken care of to the best of our ability.
They opened the doors for me in 2009 when I was alone in Orange County, scared and starting over again. And if they did that for me, they'll do that for you. No questions asked.
Because of Radiant Health Centers, I'm able to now start exploring my gender identity and living the truth that I've always been seeking.
You belong here.
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 At Radiant Health Centers, you belong here.